Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enter a text and then print it out on the printer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the printer icon down below, which is the first option, and then the text button, which is in the first column, and that's the third option. As you can see, you have this white blank space to which you can type in your text. After typing it in, you can print it out by tapping on the print button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see the layout of your item, and then you can select your printer here and then select how many copies you want to make. After selecting all this information, click on the print button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Then you will be able to print it out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.